R.M.Williams have been making world-class boots that stand the test of time since 1932, and if you care for them well, they'll last you even longer. Let me show you how I get my leather yielding craftsmen looking their best. Firstly, start with a damp cloth to remove any excess dirt and dust from the boot. Then we grab our brush and our polish, apply a little bit of polish to the brush and just work it into the leather in a circular motion, and try and avoid getting polish on your elastics and your tugs. Allow the polish to set into the leather for a couple of minutes, and then use the other side of the brush to remove any excess polish and start to get a shine out of the leather. And finally, use your microfiber soft cloth to give you that perfect shine every time. If you take care of your RMs, they'll take care of you.